Hey, what's up everybody? This is Coach Wesley from Mobile Fitness Professional and Good Foot Steppers. You know, that's Rick Ball. And like he would say, get on the good foot. And I'm here today to help you with your stepping game. You see, Rick and I, we partnered, we teamed up to create what we call Step Into Fitness. I'm a master fitness coach. He's a master stepping instructor. That's right. We want to make sure that you don't get hurt and you can get into the best shape of your life so you can dance off of more than one song. That's right, you want to be able to get down. So what we're starting is a series of light stretching for you to do to warm up before you dance. But before I show you the first stretch, if you end up liking this video, please like it, subscribe, and share this video. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers. We're almost halfway there. Peace, love, and hair grease. Oh wow, you stuck around. Great. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the first stretch, and that is stretching your neck. Now, more than likely you worked all week. You might go to a stepping class over the weekend, or you might go to stepping class after work. But anyway, you might have a stressful day. So one way to relieve the stress before you dance is you want to just stretch your neck. So I'm going to show you two simple stretches that you can do to kind of, release the stress. So the first one, all you have to do is simple. You just simply tilt your head to the left or right, whichever one you want to start with. Once your head is tilted to the left or right, if it's tilted to the left, then you take your left hand and place it on your shoulder. Now, as you pushing down on your shoulder, you're also tilting your head farther to the left. So you should feel a nice stretch all along here. Now, you could do a minimum of 10 seconds, but the longer you go, the better. And as you get advanced with it, just be careful, but you can just do a little bouncing with your neck, just like this, just a little bouncing towards the left. You don't have to come up when you bounce, it's all downward. But you don't have to necessarily bounce in the beginning, just hold it. And of course, you're gonna bring your head back to the center, shift it to the right if you started on the left, and put your hand on your left shoulder and do the same thing. Pull down on the left shoulder as you tilt your head further to the left, and you should feel a nice stretch. So that's stretch number one. Stretch number two is that it's a little bit more resistant because, like the first stretch, you are going to tilt your head to the left, but this time you're going to tilt your left. You're going to take your left hand and you're going to place it on your head like this, and then now you're going to give yourself some resistance. You can close your eyes if you want to, but you give yourself some resistance and hold it. And of course, bring it back to the center and do the other side. And always, as you're doing these stretches, you stand up and keeping your abdominals engaged, and you're tilting your head to the right and holding. So that's two stretches you could do to release some stress from your neck before you start dancing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.